Introducing our VGS40 Deluxe Parking Garage Luminaire. This unique garage lighter provides exceptional uniformity using optical control that eliminates glare to vehicle drivers. Available in 40, 60, or 80 watts with a range of 4,800 to 10,000 lumens, this luminaire offers a wide range of foot candle levels and mounting heights. The 60-watt square batwing optic provides 3 foot candles average, 1 foot candle minimum, with 3:1 average to minimum and 5:1 maximum to minimum performance. The unique low glare optical lens provides light energy upwards at a high angle to provide uniformity and ceiling uplight for visual comfort. The VGS40 offers peak candle power downward at a lower angle below the driver's view for illumination on the floor. The housing is die-cast aluminum and built with robotically applied silicone gaskets and nickel-plated stainless steel hardware. The mounting options include an easy-hang ceiling bracket system, adjustable trunnion, or a swivel stem downrod. The fully integrated design includes optional factory wired battery backup, fusing, surge suppression, and microwave dimming motion sensors. Our luminaire provides uniform lighting for mounting heights of 8 to 15 feet for parking garages at universities, hospitals, multifamily housing, offices, retail, and city centers.